Well, I had never heard this next song. You said this is Trisha Yearwood?
Yes, this is Trisha Yearwood's song.
This is a beautiful piece. I have really enjoyed playing it. What's the name of it?
It's called Georgia Rain. It's one of my favorites to sing. Barefoot in the bed of your truck, on a blanket looking up, half a moon peeking down at us from underneath the clouds. Teenage kids sneaking out again, heard the thunder rolling in. We were falling the moment when it all came pouring down. The Georgia rain on the Jasper County plain couldn't wash away what I felt for you that day. Just you and me down an old dirt road, nothing in our way except for the Georgia rain. Cotton fields, remember when flash of lightning drove us in. We were soaked down to the skin by the time we climbed inside. And I don't remember what was pounding more, the heart in my chest or the hood of that Ford. As the sky fell in, the storm clouds poured, worlds away outside. Georgia rain on the Jasper County clay couldn't wash away all the love we made. Just you and me down that old dirt road. No one saw a thing except for the Georgia rain. Screen door flapping in the wind, same old house I grew up in. Can't believe I'm back again after all these years away. You fixed your daddy's house up nice. I saw it yesterday when I drove by. Looks like you've made yourself a real good life. What else can I say?